Okay, 2004 Honda Accord, 4-cylinder, won't start. Trying to figure it out. Key comes on. Fuel pump engages. Nothing. Had the starter tested, and it says they told me it was fine. So not sure what's wrong.